Yes, let's do number 4. Determine the value of each unknown in the figures given below. Again, if we check the angle at the center, you can clearly see that B is subtended by this arc, and 45 is also subtended by same arc. So 4.1 will be B is equal to 90. Angle at center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. 4.2, 45 is subtended by JH. It's at the center. C is subtended by same arc. Therefore, C is equal to half of 45, which is 22.5. Angle at center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. Hundred is subtended by major arc KH. D is also subtended by major arc. So therefore, D is equal to 200. Angle at center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. 4.4. In order to get E, you can see that OH is radius, OK is radius, or we can go this way. 35 is subtended by JH, arc JH, and this angle here is subtended by same arc. So JOH 4.4 will be equal to 70. Angle at center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. Right. And then after you get this angle here, 70, then this will be E as well. So E is equal to 110, sorry, 180 minus 70 or 2, which is 55. Reason is angles opposite equal sides. Okay, because OJ is radius, OH is radius. Determine the value of each unknown in the figures given below. 55 is subtended by BC. X also subtended by BC, so we can get X first. So X is equal to 55. This is 5.1. Angles in same segment. Then this is 45. We can get Y. Y is equal to 180 minus 55 minus 45, which will be equal to 80. Reason is sum of angles of triangle. After you get Y, you can see that Y is subtended by AD. Z is also subtended by same arc. So Y is equal to Z. That's equal to 80 angles in same segment. Same questions, very similar question. 40 is subtended by BC. X is subtended by same arc. So 5.2 X will be equal to 40 angles in same segment. After you get 80, like 60 is subtended by this arc here. Then Y is also subtended by same arc. So Y is equal to 60 angles in same segment. And then after you get Y as 60, Z would be equal to 180 minus 100 is 80. Reason is sum of angles of a triangle. 5.3 D will be equal to 55 because OD is radius, AO is radius. So we can start with D is equal to 55. Reason is angles opposite equal sides. Then you can get this angle here, which is 180 minus 110. So DOA will be equal to 70. Reason is sum of angles of triangle. After you get this part 70, then x will be equal to 180 minus 120, which is 60. Y angles on straight line. 5.4. You can see that 20 is subtended by, how do you know that? Because if you just follow these lines here, that's going to take you to BD. Okay. So same arc also will take you to angle C, which is x. Therefore, x is equal to 20 angles in same segment. After you get this part 20, then 20 and 50 are interior angle. Y is exterior angle. So y is equal to 70 because of exterior angle of triangle. So once y is 70, then you can see that y is these two lines here. So that is subtended by AC. And another two lines, if you follow them, you'll end up with Z. So Z is equal to 70. Reason is angles in same segment. Yes, let's quickly answer these questions too, so that you can practice more and you can stop the video after or before, after you worked out questions, and then you can check your answers. JOK will be 240 for 1.1. Reflex JOK is equal to 240. Reason is angles around a point. Then you can see that reflex JK is subtended by this arc here, and then F is also subtended by same arc, so F will be half of that. F is equal to 120. Angle at center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. Okay, 1.2. D is equal to N because of parallel lines. So you can start with that. D is equal to N, which will be here, this. Y alternate angles because MP is parallel to MQ. MP is parallel to MQ. And then D is subtended by PQ. So 17 also subtended by same arc, but 17 is at the center. Therefore, D will be half of 17, which is 8,5. Reason is angle at center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. Okay. 21 is subtended by CD. Alpha is subtended by same arc. So 1.3 is the easy one. Alpha is 21. Again, angles in same segment. 1.4. You can see that A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. So sum of these two angles will be 180. So E plus 62 plus 45 must be equal to 180. Reason is opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. From this, E is equal to 73. Okay. 1.5. 24 is subtended by JM. C is also subtended by same arc. So C is equal to 24 angles in same segment. So this is 102. 102 is exterior angle to 24 and an M. So M plus 24 must be equal to 102. Reason is exterior angle of triangle. Then angle M will be equal to 102 minus 24. That is 78. Then you can see that M is subtended by KL. D is also subtended by same arc. So D is equal to 78 angles in same segment. Okay. So you can see that it's all related to the theorem angle at center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. Yes, let's have a look at another question, which is number 2. Determine the values of x and y if DO is parallel to EF. If DO is parallel to EF, then we'll have alternate angles, which will be equal to y. So y is equal to 70 alternate angles as DO is parallel to EF. After you get y as 70, I can get this part here as x. Okay, again, x is equal to f alternate angles. F is subtended by DE, 70 is also subtended by DE, so x will be equal to half of 70, which is 35. Reason is angle at center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. Find angles O1, O2, and C. So in order to get C, you can see that A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. So C plus 60 will be 180. So C must be 120. Reason is opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. O1 is subtended by arc BD. 60 also subtended by arc BD. So O1 also will be 120. Angle at center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. Then after you get O1 as 120, then O2 will be reflex angle, which is 240. Reason because angles around a point is adding up to 360. Angles around a point. Okay. These are all the applications of the theorems. Another question, number 4. If A1 is 30, let's write it down here. A1 is 30, B is 50. Find the values of A2, O1, and O2. So since OB is radius, OA is radius, 50 must be equal to A1 plus A2. Okay, reason is angles opposite equal sides. This is question number 4. Since we got A1 as 30, so 30 plus A2, then A2 must be 20. So after you get A2 as 20, you can see that it's going to be subtended by BC, and O2 also subtended by same arc. Therefore, O2 will be equal to 2 times A2. That's going to be equal to 40. Reason is angle at center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. Then O2 is equal to 40. And if you check OBA, O1 plus 40 must be equal to OAB plus angle B. Why? Exterior angle of triangle. So O1 plus 40 is equal to 50 plus 50. Then O1 will be equal to 60. Next question, question number 5. In the figure O is the center of the a circle. AB is equal to BC, ABO is equal to CBO, and BCA is equal to X. Determine the angles CAB. So let's put here BCA is X, AB is equal to BC, and ABO is equal to CBO. So these two angles are equal to each other. Determine angles of CAB. So CAB will be equal to X because of angles opposite equal sides. That's going to be X. OAC. As a result of this, A, B, C will be equal to 180 minus 2x. Reason is sum of angles of triangle. Since ABO is equal to CBO, then angle ABO will be equal to half of that, 90 minus x. Okay, so this part here will be 90 minus x. The other part also will be 90 minus x. We got CAB, we got ABO. Now what is OAC? OAC and AOB. And since OA is radius, OB is radius, that means OA, AOB, or AOB, that's right, OAC. OAC is this part here. So OAB will be equal to OBA, that's equal to 90 minus x. Reason is angles opposite equal sides. So if OAB is equal to 90 minus x, that means that's also equal to OAC plus x. From this, OAC will be equal to 90 minus 2x. We got this one as well. So if this part is 90 minus 2x, then AOB will be equal to AOB plus 90 minus x plus 90 minus x must be equal to 180, sum of angles of triangle. If you work this out, AOB will be equal to 2x. Okay, this part here will be 2x. So you can work this through this way. That's all for today. Thank you. See you at another video. Have a nice day.